To remove the stand, first place the unit face down on a soft, flat surface with the edge of the stand overhanging the edge of the table. Use your fingernail or a flat-headed tool to pry off the small rubber cover on both sides of the stand. Rotate and pull them as much as possible away from the screw areas for the stand. Pry off the edge of the hinge cover and remove it from the bottom of the unit. Loosen the two captured Phillips No. 2 screws that secure the stand to the PC. Pull the stand off the bottom of the PC. To replace the stand, insert the stand into its well at the bottom of the unit. Tighten the two Phillips No. 2 screws to secure the stand to the bottom of the unit. The hinge cover has 3 tabs on the front edge, and 2 tabs on the rear edge that snap over edges on the inside of the rear cover stand well. To replace the hinge cover, align the 3 front edge tabs over their edges and snap the rear edges into place. Rotate and press the rubber side stand covers into place until the edges are flush with the hinge cover on the bottom of the rear cover.